To continue again with the reproduction in case of Marsilia, here we'll be speaking about reproduction by means of spores. Marsilia is a heterosporous fern in the sense it is going to produce two types of the spores, megaspores as well as microspores. These spores are produced in a sac-like structure called as sporangia. Now the sporangia which has microspores is called as microsporangia, whereas the sporangia which has megaspore is called as megasporangia respectively. Now these micro as well as megasporangia are enclosed in this special bean or kidney shaped structure called as what? Sporocarps. These are the sporocarps. These sporocarps have this stalk-like structure called as pedicel. With the help of this pedicel, they are attached to the petiole of the Marsilia. Now, when the sporocarps are young, they are somewhat green in color and even they are soft to touch. Apart from that, there is appearance of hair-like structure on their surface. This is how they look like when they are young. They are green, they are a bit soft, and also hair-like structure appears on their surface. But during maturation or at maturity, they are going to turn into a very dark and hard structure, which can withstand even the desiccations, any kind of an unfavorable conditions. And there are reports that they are viable for more than some 25 to 50 years. Now, these sporocarps, they are attached to this petiole. So this is a Marsilia. This is a petiole of Marsilia, followed by we have a rhizome here. These are the leaves. So on petiole, sporocarps are attached with the help of that pedicel. Now, in case of Marsilia, different species of Marsilia have different points of attachment of these sporocarps on their petioles. This structure explains the same one. In case of example A, attachment of the sporocarps is in a single row on one side of the petiole. This kind of an attachment is seen in a case of Marsilia polycarpa. So in case of Marsilia polycarpa, what we have sporocarp. These sporocarps are attached to the petiole with the help of the pedicel, and they are all on one side of the petiole in a single row. So this is an example of Marsilia polycarpa. Whereas in case of Marsilia quadrifolia, we have some 3 to 4 sporocarps here, and all the pedicels of all these sporocarps are fused and they form a kind of a bunch-like structure. And this is attached at one point. At one common point, we have a bunch of sporocarps with a common pedicel. In case of Marsilia minuta, we have here some 3 sporocarps. All the 3 sporocarps have free pedicels. These free pedicels, they are attached at a common point. At this common point, all the 3 free sporocarps are attached. They are not fused as in case of quadrifolia. Now the last examples will be Marsilia uncinata, this one, Marsilia uncinata and Marsilia corundelica. Now what is the difference between these two is, here they have a single sporocarp attached at the base of the petiole. Only thing is that this uncinata, sporocarp of uncinata is bit lengthier compared to corundelica. So these are the point of attachments of the sporocarps in different species of Marsilia. Thank you.